everyone doing out there in this beautiful world of ours? Taking a different route today. I'm going to go up and eat breakfast at Tequila Reef. I can walk around 85%, I will put it at. Pain level maybe a 2. So enough's enough. I'm going out. Maybe I'll do a little walk around up there. Walk down Walking Street and show you some more bars that are opened up. I'm not going to go do some marathon walk yet. I still can't do anything like that. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's the latest. Also, I want to, you guys had some good, you guys put out, gave me some good words of encouragement from the last video I put out. Thank you guys for all the words of encouragement. Actually, I know who pushed to have it monetized, or I'm sorry, I know who had it pushed to have a copyright strike put on me. It actually wasn't even the owner of the video. It was somebody else. How do I know? I got screenshots of comments that were put up. But anyways, enough of that silliness. Time to move on. This road parallels Don Hueco. They always have everybody, when there's construction going on, they always shoot everybody up this side road. It just kind of dumps you out in a different area. I use this road quite a bit, depending on where I'm going, is how I use this road. Looking for the name of a street. I don't see it. Google it. Google it. Let me see. Here it is. Here it is. Coming up. Berthas Street. Berthas. Did I get it right again? No, that one doesn't have it. Berthas. That's what it said back there. It's one of the things here. A lot of times there's no signs to tell you what road you're on. But this road here, as I go up through, I see a lot of apartments for rent. Lots of apartments. Yeah, they did all this construction on this road. They were working on this road for a while. You can see on the left there, they're still doing some work. My V guy, the guy I get my V juice from, he is on this road. He's just right up here on the left-hand side. Right there on the left-hand side, right past the Alphamart. Some of you guys will know where this comes out. Others might not know. Straight ahead is the Flamingo Hotel, drive-in and apartment. Straight ahead is MacArthur. There's MacArthur straight ahead. So that's where it brings you out. We'll take a right here. And I'm going to take a left here. I always hate stopping on MacArthur Boulevard on my motorbike. You never know. People, they might not pay attention and ram you from behind, and hate it. Just kind of got to work your way through here. There you go. Here on the left, right there on the left is Pinky's. reading, we've had a couple bad storms come through here recently, some typhoons. Of course, we don't get the direct hit from the typhoon. We just get the rain. And we get all the rain and everything. We can make it right here. We just get a lot of rain and wind. So yeah, we got another one coming through. I think this might be like the third one or fourth one within the past couple weeks now. Speed bumps. You always got to watch out. I mean, I know where they're at because I've driven these roads so many times, but if you're out and about in different areas, you really got to keep an eye out on those speed bumps because, man, when you blast them, they hurt. Anyways, here we are. Keely Reef. Time to eat. Alright guys, so I'm up here and I'm going to take a walk, a slow walk down Walking Street. Just so you know which bars are open. I know people want to know. A few more have opened up. I'm going to tell you right now which ones are open that I know of. Baccarat, Shooters, Angel Witch, which is now in Voodoo, Club Excess, Level 3. It was called Xanadu. Lollipop Carousel is finally open. This is the old Centuria bar. An Angel Witch, and from what I'm hearing is Insomnia is going to open up. I guess they're remodeling. They're remodeling inside, so they're going to open up. I guess they're putting in a kitchen or renovating it for a kitchen. And also Monsoon is open. So those are the ones that are open that I know of. But we'll take a little stroll here. Here's the Carousel. Now the Carousel was closed at one point. They opened up and they were, good morning, how are you?
Fine.
Good, good. This is it, this is the Carousel. Carousel. I don't know what time they open. Happy hour here, they got a sign out. Happy hour is 2 to 6. Local drinks, 75 pesos. Game schedule. They're the games that they're showing inside there. And good morning. These are still closed. So, what, 6, 7, something like that out of how many? Good morning. See, now I was told this used to be the old DMZ bar. Could be wrong, but that's what I was told. There's an ATM machine in there. I don't know how far I'm going to walk down here. Still hobbling around. Doing my best. I'm tired of sitting around. Lollipops. La Bamba closed. There's all your tourist police sitting there. I don't know why they're sitting there. It's tourists. There's no tourists on the street. Keep moving, keep moving. Gotta keep going, keep going. Kokomos, there's a handful of people, not even a handful. Very, very small handful. All right, so there's Monsoon. They're supposed to be open, which their doors are open. Club Access right there. They are open. And then here on the right hand side is the new Angel Witch. It used to be Kokomos. I have a subscriber who owns one of these little stores down here. Right here on the right hand side. I don't know if he's in there or not right now. Right here on the right hand side. This is his store. I don't know where he's at. Is that his store? No, wrong store. This store, right here on the right. There he is. Where's the owner?
Vlogger?
Oh, where's the owner?
Owner?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You?
Yeah.
What do you like, sir?
I'm just looking. Are you the actual owner?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're the brother.
Yes, brother.
Where's your brother at? I know your brother.
Store manager.
Store manager.
Yeah, manager.
Oh, all right. Who's the bouncer?
Yeah.
Who's security?
Security.
Oh, he's security. All right, all right. You got it all. Yeah, I know your brother.
Yeah, you know my brother?
Yeah. He watches my channel,
Oh.
my YouTube channel.
Yeah, what?
Well, yeah, I mean, check it out. He's got a lot of cool things here. He got some watches, G-Shock. Are they knockoff G-Shock or original G-Shock?
Just only class A, my brother.
From China, right?
No, Thailand.
Thailand, okay.
Thailand.
And look at all these rings here. Where'd all your rings come from? Thailand?
Thailand, sir.
Everything's Thailand, huh?
Yeah. Muay Thai.
Muay Thai.
Me.
Oh, that's me, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You subscribe? All right,
Yes.
cool.
Long time.
Long time? All right, cool. But yeah, check it out. Got lighters, key rings. He got some brass knuckles. He's got some knives. He's got some butterfly knives. What is this here? Stun gun?
No, flashlight.
Oh, a little flashlight. There's a little flashlight. All right. Yeah, he's got some cool stuff here. Then, of course, he sells clothes. All kinds of clothes. Swimsuits. Want some swimsuits? They sell swimsuits.
Swimsuit.
He's got his Nikes.
Yeah, Nikes.
Yeah. From where are they from?
From
China?
Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Yeah.
Yeah, but where?
ISIS. No.
Oh, don't say that. Check it out, all the shoes. I don't know how their business is. A lot of the girls always come here and buy. Check out the shoes. Those are pretty some high-tech shoes there, huh? Pretty high-tech. For all you females that watch my channel. And clothes. Like I said, a lot of the girls used to stop in these shops here and buy the stuff. They're reasonably priced, and you can always negotiate down. So there it is. I wanted to stop and show you guys. Ah, yeah. How's business? Good? No good.
No good.
No good. Yeah.
No more selling now. It's the hungry.
Hungry.
Money, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No more money now. No more selling. Yeah. It's the hungry.
Business is bad everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, that's just the way it is right now, huh? All right.
Yes.
This is new. Or maybe they brought their stuff out here, huh? Got their sunglasses. I'm not going to keep. Well, this guy here, what do you sell, Kuya? He sells down the street here. He's one of the street vendors. He got Opa right there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets. And with that, we'll talk to you later.